guys, welcome back. Today we're sitting down and doing another little fun video. I feel like I'm really excited to get back to basics and just do fun little sit down chatty videos. I feel like ever since doing my weekly vlogs and obviously being really active on Instagram stories and stuff, I don't really sit and do this anymore. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to start doing this more often now. So expect some more videos like this. I'm going to be talking about a really cool service today that ships American subscription boxes over to Australia. So I don't know if you guys have heard of BOXYCHARM before. I certainly have. I remember back in the day, a few years ago, all the beauty gurus on YouTube and stuff would always talk about these BOXYCHARM boxes, and I used to be like, oh my god, I really want to try one of those because it's basically a subscription box. I think it's like a monthly box, and pretty much you get sent a box of full-sized makeup and skincare, literally high-end brands. Yeah, crazy for you to try every single month. And you basically get over $300 value for around $100. It is insane. And I used to be like, oh my gosh, I really want to do this because I don't know about you guys, but I love subscription boxes. I love trying new things. It's just so exciting, and just knowing you have something arriving every month is it's just fun. So I remember getting so excited about it and then being really disappointed because they don't ship to Australia. Boo, boo, boo. It sucks. But then I come across this company called Storks, and what they do is they're like that middleman. So you would place your order through them, then they would place the order in the US, then the box would get delivered to their US warehouse. Once it reaches the US warehouse, it gets shipped to Australia right to your door. So that way you can order through them, and they're like that middleman. Because I know there are some other services that act as that middleman, but it's a bit more complex. Whereas this way, you literally just place your order through them, and then they take care of the rest, and then you get a little BOXYCHARM box at your door. I think it is so amazing. It's super just easy. We love anything that's easy for us, and this is definitely easy. And yeah, they were kind enough to send me one of their premium boxes, and I thought, why not just sit down and do an old-fashioned unboxing, because I love making these videos, I love watching these videos, so why not? So this is the box, and when you open it, you can see straight away it's got all your products in there. So this one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's got 6 products. So that's what it looks like there. We've even got a couple of lollipops and a couple of Mentos, which is a really fun time. I love getting sweets in my packages. If you guys have made an order from Nelly before, you know I always include something sweet. I love it. It's so fun. So, I don't know, I just love this because you get to try brands. I'm already looking at this and I'm like, I have never tried anything from Fenty Beauty. I've never tried Summer Fridays. I've never tried Ofra. I have tried Laura Mercier, but I don't really have any Laura Mercier products that I use regularly. So this is just so fun because I get to try brands that I would not normally ever go for. And you never know, you might discover some of your absolute holy grail new favorites in this box. So anyway, I'm going to go through what's in here. So to start off, we have this Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is a face mask, I believe. Yeah, it's a hydrating mask. Honestly, can't ever say no to a hydrating mask. You cannot have enough, even though I have my vitamin C mask, which I absolutely love. It's always nice to try out some other ones. So, smells very fresh. And it's just a creamy consistency. So I guess you just, apply it to cleanse skin and let it work its magic. So I've got one skincare, I've got a couple of skincare products actually. So I've got that one. And then the next skincare product, there's actually a little pamphlet in here so you know what you've got. So yeah, the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. So that's RRP at $48. I'm assuming that's US dollars. So next up, we've got the PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth, and it's valued at $30. So this, I'm assuming, is one of those makeup remover cloths where you just add water and you don't need anything else. Wow, that feels really, really nice. Very nice and soft. very bright and pretty. So that will be nice. That'll be nice to take traveling, I think. That'll be really interesting to try. I've never tried one of these before, so I'm actually really excited to give it a whirl. I'm normally a cleanser kind of gal, or I use cleanser with little reusable pads, but I've never used one of these cloths where you just add water and no cleanser, so I'll definitely report back on that one because that seems very handy. Next up we have this beautiful palette. It is the Ofra Good To Go Mini Mix palette, and that's worth $39. What's it? Ooh, look at this. Smile, you are beautiful. Amazing. So we've got some really nice shades in there. It's actually, I get why it's called the Good To Go mini palette, because it's literally all you need. Sorry, this little casing's really reflective. Let's take that off. There we go. So you've got a matte bronzer and a matte blush there. Then you've got a few shades of like illuminator highlighters in the middle. Then you've got a couple of really beautiful shimmery eyeshadow shades, and then some mattes as well. Like this is literally, I love this palette. I love it. There's a pop of colour as well if you want to get a bit fun. But this is definitely something that I see myself taking with me traveling, because normally I take like a few little palettes, but I think this one is perfect because I don't have to take my bronzer, my blush, and my highlighter, and an eyeshadow palette. I can just take this. So that is actually, I'm really stoked about that. Talk about convenience. My gosh. And they look absolutely beautiful. Let's like do a little swatcheroo. That's so nice. I don't know if you can see that, but wow, beautiful. And yeah, like I said before, I've never tried Ofra, and I probably never would have if I didn't get it in one of these boxes. So very exciting. Next up we have the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara, valued at $24. So that's what she looks like. Because I'm black is the shade. I have been obsessed with trying new mascaras, and now I've got 2 more to try. I actually got another one in the mail recently. I never tried anything from Fenty, so I'm very excited to try. I don't know why I always smell mascaras, because some of them can smell really funky, but yeah, it's got a nice fat brush, super cute packaging. I love this. I'm gonna give this a go because I'm a huge mascara critic. I either love or hate mascaras. There's no in between. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this in my vlogs on my Instagram stories. And last up we have 2 products from Laura Mercier. So we've got the Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick, valued at $32. This one's in the colour Coral. I don't have any coral lipsticks, I don't think. Wow, I really like this packaging. Very luxe. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Sorry if you can hear the kids, they just got home. Wow, that is so nice. I can actually see myself wearing this. Like, I never thought I would wear a coral, but this is a really pretty coral. It's like a nude coral. It's not too coral. How many times am I going to say coral? But yeah, it's like a perfect mid nude coral. I'm definitely going to try this next time I do my makeup. And last but not least, we have got the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Colour, valued at $29. What is this? A creamy eyeshadow stick with 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant with a long-lasting finish. Ooh, that sounds like something right up my alley. Wow, I've never, it's like a nude. I have never tried anything like this before. Oh yeah, that's the colour. But it's just like a nude. I wonder if you'd use this as like a base underneath your eyeshadow. That's why it's this colour. I don't know, but I'm definitely keen to try it out. Very interesting. I've been playing a lot more with makeup lately, and I've just been really like tapping into my creative feminine vibes. Just trying to get some more balance in my life, instead of being so in my masculine and constantly like work. I'm really trying to slow down and like get creative, and that's been like a lot more playing with makeup, how I used to love doing, which has been really nice. So yeah, then I got a couple of lollipops in here and some Mentos. Let's have a Mentos. I haven't had Mentos in ages. They're as good as I remember them to be. Well, I really should have eaten that after I finished filming. Anyway, that is it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this fun little video, something a little bit different, something a little bit like the throwback days. If you did want to purchase yourself one of these amazing BOXYCHARM boxes, I will leave the link to Stork down below, so you can go on their website and order one of these for yourself. I honestly love this, and I'm honestly actually going to subscribe myself because this is the coolest thing, and I'm all about subscription boxes. If you know of any other awesome subscription boxes, let me know, because like I'm all about that. I love, even if it's like got to do with like food and stuff like that. Like I just love trying new things, and you always get things that you wouldn't normally go for, and then you might be surprised and find yourself some really exciting new holy grails. So anyway, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to be notified every time I upload a new video, which is twice a week. And I'll see you all in my next video. Have an amazing day, night, whatever time you're watching, and ciao for now. Bye.